Important solved examples in the textbook. Prove that the medians of a triangle are concurrent. Here we have to prove that the medians of triangle are concurrent. We know that the medians of triangle, the concurrence point of medians is called the centroid. Okay, here we have already seen the examples of the centroid, formula for the centroid. Here we have to prove the medians of triangle are concurrent. Okay, now consider a triangle A, B, C. Okay, then ED, BE and CF are the medians. We have to prove that medians are concurrent, that is the point of intersection of all three medians is same. It is a point of concurrence, that is G. That is the G point on line AD, G point on line BE and G point on line CF. That is G is a point on all three medians. That is G divide median AD, G divide median BE and G also divide median CF. That is a one point divide three lines. That is the three lines are concurrent. Okay, now that the lines are the medians of triangle. Now first we see the position vectors. Let A bar, B bar, C bar, D bar, E bar and F bar are position vectors of points A, B, C, D, E and F respectively with respect to origin. Position vectors with respect to origin. Okay, now here in triangle ABC, AD, BE and CF are medians. Okay, here AD, BE and CF are the medians of the triangle. That is D is a midpoint of BC, E is a midpoint of AC and F is a midpoint of AB. Okay, now here AB, it is AD, BE and CF are the medians of triangle. That is D is a midpoint of BC and therefore we can write D is a midpoint of BC. Therefore D bar is equal to B bar plus C bar upon 2. Okay, therefore we can write 2D bar is equal to B bar plus C bar. Okay, here D bar is equal to B bar plus C bar upon 2. D is a midpoint of BC. Therefore it is 2D bar is equal to B bar plus C bar. Okay, then here adding both side by A bar. Therefore here 2D bar plus A bar is equal to here A bar plus B bar and plus C bar. Adding both side the vector A bar. It is 2D bar plus B bar plus equal to B bar plus C bar. 2D bar plus A bar. And here B bar plus C bar plus A bar. It is A bar plus B bar plus C bar. Okay, it is the first condition. Then E is a midpoint of AC. E is midpoint of AC. Therefore we can write E bar is equal to A bar plus C bar upon 2 and therefore we can write 2E bar is equal to A bar plus C bar. Here A bar plus C bar. Here adding B bar on both sides. Therefore we can write 2E bar plus B bar is equal to A bar plus B bar plus C bar. It is equation number 2. Now F is midpoint of AB. Therefore we can write F bar is equal to A bar plus B bar upon 2. Therefore we can write 2F bar plus, so it is 2F bar is equal to A bar plus B bar. Now here A bar plus B bar, adding both side by C bar. Therefore it is 2F bar plus C bar is equal to A bar plus B bar plus C bar. It is equation number 3. Then by equation number 3, it is A bar plus B bar plus C bar, A bar plus B bar plus C bar, and it is A bar plus B bar plus C bar. Therefore from 1, 2 and 3, from 1, 2 and 3, we can write 2D bar plus A bar is equal to 2E bar plus B bar is equal to 2F bar plus C bar is equal to A bar plus B bar plus C bar. Okay. Now here dividing throughout by 3. Therefore 2D bar plus A bar upon 3 is equal to 2E bar plus B bar upon 3 is equal to 2F bar plus C bar upon 3 is equal to A bar plus B bar plus C bar upon 3. Here we know that it is a formula for the center of the triangle. Here first D is a midpoint of BC, therefore D bar is equal to B bar plus C bar upon 2. 2D bar is equal to B bar plus C bar. Okay, formula for the center, it is A bar plus B bar plus C bar. Here B bar and C bar, therefore adding both side by A bar. Here A bar plus C bar. Okay, we have A bar plus B bar plus C bar, therefore adding B bar, and here A bar plus B bar, therefore adding C bar. Now here let it is G with position vector G bar is equal to A bar plus B bar plus C bar upon 3. Therefore we can write 2D bar plus A bar upon, it is 3 becomes, it is 2 plus 1, 2E bar plus B bar upon 2 plus 1 plus, it is equal to 2F bar plus C bar upon 2 plus 1 is equal to G bar. Okay, that is point G divide CF internally in the ratio 2:1 by internal division formula. Point G divide CF internally in the ratio 2:1. Point G divide BE internally in the ratio 2:1. Point G divide AD internally in the ratio 2:1. That is point G divides medians AD, BE and CF internally in the ratio 2:1. That is, one point divide 3 lines, that is this point lie on both 3 lines. Therefore medians of triangle are concurrent. Okay, here point G divides all 3 medians in the ratio 2:1. Therefore G is a point of concurrence of all 3 medians. It is a proof of the medians of triangle are concurrent, and we know that the point of concurrence of median is called the centroid of the triangle, and it is the centroid of triangle. It is the centroid of the triangle. Okay, now we see next. prove that the angle bisectors of a triangle are concurrent. Yeah, again we know that the angle bisectors, the point of concurrence of angle bisectors is called the incenter of the triangle. Okay, here we have to prove the angle bisectors are concurrent. It is A, B and C. Here it is the angle bisector. AD is the angle bisector. Then it is BE is the angle bisector, and suppose it is the angle bisector. CF is angle bisector. Okay, now here in triangle ABC, AD, BE and CF are the angle bisectors of triangle. Angle bisectors. Okay, here in triangle ABC in triangle ABC it is AD, BE and CF are the angle bisectors. Okay, now it is let length AB is equal to, consider as C, length AC is equal to B and length BC is equal to A. Okay, here हे नोटेशन याच्या आधी ऑलरेडी आपण ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शन चॅप्टर मध्ये घेतलेले आहे. हियर द लेंथ ऑफ अपोजिट साइड ऑफ अँगल ए इट इज अ ए, दॅट इज अ BC is a A. Length of opposite side of angle B it is a B, small b, and length of opposite angle of angle C it is a small c, that is BC is equal to A, small a, AC is equal to B and length of AB is equal to C. Okay, length of AB is equal to C, length of AC is equal to B and length of BC is equal to A. Okay, here now it is AD is an angle bisector. Okay, एक एक consider करो. Here AD is an angle bisector of triangle ABC. Okay, therefore in triangle ADB and triangle ADC. Okay, here see, in triangle ABC angle bisector theorem. Okay, here angle bisector theorem, here it is a angle triangle A, B and C and it is angle bisector is a AD, therefore triangle ADB and triangle ADC are the similar triangle. Okay, here not equal, it is are the similar triangle, therefore here the ratio of their sides in triangle ADB and ADC it is AB upon AC is equal to DB. Okay, it is a length upon DC. Okay, two triangles, that is ADB and ADC are the similar triangle, therefore the sides are proportional. Okay, that is the proportional. And then we know that AB is equal to C and AC is equal to B. Length AB is equal to C and length AC is equal to B, therefore ratio DB upon DC is equal to, it is C upon B. Here point D, therefore point D divide BC internally in the ratio BD is to DC, that is C is to B. Okay, it is a length. DB, DC are the length. Ratio BD is to DC, that is the length of BD. Okay, ratio. Okay, length of ratio. It is BD is to DC. It is C is to B. C is to B. Now, therefore, D bar is equal to D divide BC in the ratio C is to B. Therefore, C bar plus B bar upon C plus B. Okay, it is a section formula. Internal division, D divide BC in the ratio C is to B. It is a C and B are the lengths. Okay, C bar plus B bar upon C plus B. Okay, it is C bar and B bar are the position vectors of vertices, and it is C and B are the length of the triangle. Now, C plus B into D bar is equal to C bar plus B bar. Now, adding both side by A bar, it is C bar plus B bar. Adding both side by A bar. Therefore, C plus B into D bar plus A bar is equal to A bar plus B bar plus C bar. B bar, C bar, adding both side by A bar. Okay. Now, here, divide throughout by A plus B plus C. Therefore, here, C plus B into D bar plus A bar upon A plus B plus C is equal to A bar plus B bar plus C bar upon A plus B plus C, dividing throughout by A plus B plus C. It is A, B, C are the lengths of sides of triangle, and then this can be written as C plus B into D bar plus A bar upon C plus B plus A. It is A plus B plus C can be written as C plus B plus A is equal to, that is as it is, A bar plus B bar plus C bar upon A plus B plus C is equal to, say, I with I bar. Okay, position vector, point I with position vector I bar. That is here, that is point I with position vector I bar divides AD internally in the ratio C plus B is to A. C plus B is to A. Point I divide AD in the ratio C plus B is to A. Okay, see carefully here. It is point I divide. It is a D bar, it is A bar, and it is a constant C plus B and A. It is C plus B and A. It is M and it is N. Ratio M is to N. N. It is D bar, it is A bar. Therefore, vector AD, that is line segment AD. I divide AD internally in the ratio C plus B is to A. Okay. Now, similarly, point E divide AC. Okay. Here, point E. Here we can D divide BC in the ratio C is to B. D divide BC in the ratio C is to B. Then point E divide here. Point E divide AC in the ratio. It is point divide. Okay, here we can write here. Similarly, point E. It is BE is a angle bisector. Okay, point E divide AC in the ratio C is to A. Here point D divide BC in the ratio C is to B. Here point E divide AC in the ratio C is to A. Okay, therefore we can write E bar is equal to C bar plus A bar upon C plus A. Okay, and point F divide AB in the ratio, it is B is to A. Therefore we can write E bar is equal to E bar is equal to C bar plus A bar upon C plus A, and F bar is equal to, it is B bar plus A bar upon B plus A. Okay, now this condition. Okay, and then again same, multiply this, and in this adding B bar and in this adding C bar. Okay, we can similarly write, therefore point I with position vector I bar divide BE internally in the ratio C plus A is to B. Okay, here E, when D, okay, here D divide BC, angle bisector, it is a AD. AD is the angle, when we consider AD is the angle bisector, then point D divide BC internally in the ratio, then formula this, and then point I divide AD in the ratio C plus B is to A, then divide the angle bisector BE, I divide BE in the ratio C plus A is to B, and the angle bisector, it is point I divide CF in the ratio B plus A is to C, and point I last, point I with position vector I bar divides CF internally in the ratio B plus A is to C. Okay, here it is point D bar, E bar and F bar. Okay, D C bar plus B bar upon C plus A, therefore ratio is C plus B, it is C plus B. C plus B is to A. When by using the section formula of position vector of E bar, it is C plus A, therefore I divide BE in the ratio C plus A is to B, and then I divide CF internally in the ratio B plus A is to C, that is point I divide AD, point I divide BE, and point I divide CF, that is point I lie on all three angle bisectors, that is the angle bisectors of triangle are concurrent, that is the angle bisectors of triangle are concurrent. Write the here statement, angle bisectors of the triangle are concurrent. Okay, see carefully, these two conditions directly write similarly, it is a first, it is a proof. Okay, see carefully, and then these two conditions directly write, I divide BE and I divide CF, divide BE internally in the ratio C plus A is to B, and CF divide I divide CF internally in the ratio B plus A is to C. Okay, see carefully. Now using vector method, find the incenter of triangle of a triangle whose vertices are a 3 comma it is 0 comma 3 comma 0, b 0 comma 0 comma 4, and c 0 3 4. Okay, are the vertices. Then we will find the centroid of the in center of the triangle. Okay, now here we know that the in center of the triangle is it is I with position vector I bar. It is a bar plus b bar plus c bar upon a plus b plus c. Okay, it is a in center. A bar, b bar, c bar are position vectors of vertices of triangle, and a, b and c are the length of sides of triangle. Okay, now first we consider the position vector. Let a bar, b bar and c bar are position vectors of points a, b and c respectively. Okay. Therefore a bar is equal to 3 j cap 0 3 0, b bar is equal to 4 k cap, and c bar is equal to 3 j cap plus 4 k cap. Okay. Now we find the sides of triangle AB. AB it is b bar minus a bar. B bar minus a bar, it is minus 3j plus 4k. B bar minus a bar. Then vector AC, side AC, it is c bar minus a bar. Again c bar minus a bar, it is 4k bar, 4k cap. 3j cancel, it is 4k. And last BC, it is c bar minus b bar. C bar minus b bar, it is 3j. Okay. Are the sides of triangle. We find the length of sides of triangle, that is magnitude of its. Okay. Therefore here magnitude of vector AB, magnitude of vector AB, it is a c, and then it is under root of minus 3 square plus 4 square, and it is 9 plus 16 25, it is 5. Magnitude of AC, magnitude of AC, it is a b, it is under root 4 square, and it is 4. Magnitude of BC, BC means A, it is under root of 3, and that is 3 square, it is 3. Okay, that is A is equal to 3, B is equal to 4 and C is equal to 5. Then we know the formula for the in center. It is, therefore put all values. A, it is a 3, A bar, it is 3j, plus B, it is a 4, B bar, it is a 4k cap, plus C, it is a 5, and C bar, it is 3j cap plus 4k cap. A bar, B bar, C bar, and it is A, B and C whole to the upon 3 plus 4 plus 5, and then it is 9j cap plus 16k cap plus 15j cap and plus 20k cap. Okay, multiply upon, it is 5 plus 4 9 plus it is 12. Then it is 9j and 15j, it is 24j plus 36k cap upon 12. Okay, here 9 plus 15, 24. 16 plus 20, okay, 26. And then it is 2j cap plus 3k cap. It is a position vector. Okay, and therefore vertices it is 0, 2 and 3. It is the in center of the triangle ABC. 0, 2 and 3. Okay.